Hey everyone, this is Sakem Mathematics. Today we want to look at logarithm with tables. Some person said we should look at equation from there. So quickly, there is one on the board. Use logarithm tables to evaluate these to three significant figures. What I will do, I'll put my number, logarithm, then work. So let's just take them down like this. Okay, let me shoot this here, then I will draw. Here I have 0.897. You know, under here, under logarithm, I'll be having my characteristic and my mantissa. But how do I get characteristic is to change this value to standard form. Therefore, 0.87897 is the same thing as you saying 8.97 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So this minus 1 is my characteristic. But in logarithm, instead of saying minus 1, we'll call it bar 1. Bar 1 point. We'll read 89 under 7. 89 under 7. Yes, by my calculator, I'll be having 89 under 7. I'll be having 9528. 9528. 28. Then the other one is 3.536. 3.536. Changing it to standard form, that will give me 3.536 times 10 raised to the power 0. So this 0 now, this 0 is my characteristic. I'll put it to the 0 point. I'll read 35 under 6 difference. Sorry, 35 under 3 difference 6. 35 under 3 difference 6. I am having 5485. 5485. 5485. Because they are multiplying, I am going to add up these two. Adding up these two, I'll be getting 8 plus 5 is 13, write down 3, carry 1. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus that one 11. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus that one 10, write down 0, carry 1. 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus that one is 15, write down 5, carry 1. It's just like you saying minus 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus the one you borrowed from here is what? 0. So I'm going to move this one to this side. 0.5013. So I'll come to the denominator. I'll be having 0.00249. So I'll change this one to standard form. This denominator, I'm changing it to standard form to be 2.49 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So remember, my minus 3 remains my mantissa. That is by 3 points. I'll read 24 under 9. Log 24 under 9. That will give me 3962. 3962. I want to drag it out. 3 by 3.3962. So this is at the denominator and they are dividing. When they are dividing, we are going to subtract. So let us do what? Subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 6 cannot. We are going to borrow 1 from this 5. Bring it here, it turns 10. Borrow 1 from 10, bring it here, it turns what? 11. 11 minus 6 will give me what? 5. Then I've borrowed 1 from 10, so 9 is left. 9 minus 9 will give me what? 0. So 4 is remaining here. 4 minus 3 will give me 1. 0 minus 3 will give me what? 3. Is it clear? So in this case, I am going to look for my antilog of that value. Go to look for antilog. How do you get antilog? You ignore this one first. You say antilog 10 under 5 difference 1. Antilog 10 under 5 difference 1. Antilog 10 under 5 difference 1. By what I have here, I'll be having 1, 2, 7, 4. I'll be having 1, 2, 7, 4. By my calculator, I'm having 1, 2, 7, 4. But now is the time to put in our decimal points. Like I said, you always add, this is the characteristic here, add imaginary 1 to it, making it 4. So what you do, you move 4 times to the right. That means 1, 2, 7, 4. We are going to move 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my decimal point will be there. So what I just need to do is to fill it up, put 0 here. So my final answer is 1274.0. I hope it's clear. Look at it very well. This is the movement. Add 1 to this 3, making it 4. You move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will give you that. So that's the answer to this particular question. In case of any issue, go to the comment section, share, like, and subscribe. We are on YouTube as Ken, on Facebook as Ken Mathematics, just like that. So I can remove this thing now. My answer to this question is 1274.0. But they said I must leave my answer to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. So in therefore means I only need 3 figures here. So finally, my result will be 1, 2, 7, 0.0. Do you know why? 4 is a random number. I only need 3 figures. 1, 2, 3. This is a random number. I can't call it 1. So it has to go. So I have 1, 4, 2, 7, 0. So this is the final result. Is it clear? This is the final result of 3 significant figures. So do have a nice day. Bye.